What's up, you guys? I'm back doing another action figure unboxing video. Today I've got two huge packages. Well, one's really big. This one's been kicking around for like a week at my place. I was waiting for something else to come in so I could review them together or unbox them together. So I'm really excited to dig into this. I've been looking forward to it for a while. Yeah, I guess I'll start with the small one, even though I've been waiting for this one more. Dude, having the anticipation of like a box around that I just really want to open, but I can't, and just waiting and waiting and waiting really gets to you. But today is the day I finally open it. Oh man, I am so stoked to have this one. I got the Marvel Legends Doom from the Super Scroll wave. Oh man, this thing is super well done. I've never owned a Doctor Doom. I've actually had Fantastic Four as long as any other Marvel Legend in my collection. I think the Reed Richards and the Thing, and even my old Johnny Storm were the very first figures I got from my dad. So it's really nice to finally have their main villain for the Fantastic Four. He comes with an interchangeable head and two alternate hands, and of course the Super Scroll piece, which I do actually have a few of these members. Or I guess I only have one other one, but I wouldn't mind getting this this wave of Fantastic Four. Like, this seems like a nice version of them. Right now I have the retro Sue Storm, and she looks good. Sue Storm is very hard to come by. I wanted to get all the movie figures from Fantastic Four, but they're not the best. Well, like for collectors, they have a lot of gimmicks because they're really like made for kids. Which, you know, is fine because toys are supposed to be made for kids, but when you're trying to collect them in the aftermarket, I'm not really paying like $100 for something that's got a giant button on the back, that kind of thing. But yeah, so this thing is huge. I assume a lot of it is just packaging, but I'm gonna try and get into it on the camera still. One side. I'm so happy with that Doctor Doom. Same thing, I got him on the aftermarket, and he's also more of a rare character, so it's a little bit difficult to come by, because he's like a classic villain, one of the very first for Marvel. This. Oh, there's like a bonus thing. I got a little like Dragon Ball Z. Some kind of one of these 6, I guess. That's awesome. That's totally free. I didn't even know that came with it. Oh, and a bunch of cards. Some trading cards as well. That's so sick. I got Raza and oh, and there's 3 of them. Okay, I don't know any of these characters, but I got a bunch of trading cards as well. That's just free stuff that came with it. Wow. Gotta love free stuff. Okay, packaging. Where's my prize, though? Where is it? Where is it? This is such a big box. Oh my god. And here it is. The Iron Man 1, Infinity Saga, Obadiah Stane, and Ironmonger 2-pack. This thing is heavy for 1. And for 2, oh my gosh, am I excited to have this. Looks like his shoulder pad already came off in the box, but that's okay. I know I've seen videos of people reviewing them. I know they just kind of slide on and off. They're not like attached or anything. But this is great. It's complete. It's got all the accessories. It's got his heart, the proof that Tony Stark has a heart, the arc reactor, the separate one. He's got a briefcase to transport it. There's alternate hands for Ironmonger. It looks like no alternate heads or anything. No alternate hands for him. But it comes with a blast effect, a smoke effect, and bullets ejecting effect. So lots of accessories with this. The Obadiah Stane looks great. That face sculpt looks exactly like Jeff Bridges. Is it Jeff Bridges? Yeah, I think that's Jeff Bridges. Wow, I'm super happy to have this one. And the Ironmonger as well. That it's not just a straight repaint of the original Iron Man 1 toy. It's actually been resized to scale with 6-inch Marvel Legends, and it's been re-sculpted, repainted, reworked. Man, it looks awesome. I almost bought the original one, but I'm so glad I made this purchase. I love a nice hefty figure. Man, I can't wait to review this. So stay tuned for that. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video. Hit the subscribe button if you want to stay tuned to all my content. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.